What's up, guys? My name's SourceGaming11 and welcome back to White Noise Online. I will not stop until I get all 8 recorders. Yeah. This time we're playing in the light. Yeah. Same place. Oh, I'm gonna back up for this. Just because. Run! Cause that bitch won't find me. Yes! Found one already. Give it to me, bitch! Always look back. That's a good thing. Fuck, why did I set it to difficulty normal? Such an idiot. Now he's gonna get me. Oh God, no! Boom, bitch, I found one again. Hell, no, don't get stuck, don't get stuck. La 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 la. I love gumdrops and ice cream. Woohoo! Where the? Ah! God! Oh shit! Here. Please don't be here. I hear one. Yeah, I'm a third one. I will not stop. I'll keep making these videos until I get 8 recorders. I will not stop. I am a specialist. Oh, fuck you. I don't want to deal with you right now. I hear another one. Oh, whatever. Oh, that's real funny. That's a funny one. Right, guys? Right? He's funny. He's funny. Such a funny one he is. What? I hear one. Are you behind here? What a devil's crew. Quack. Come on, I already been here. No. Shit. Don't fuck with me, please. We already had a discussion, Mr. Whatever you are. You're probably Slender's brother. Do you know him? I think I'm going in circles. No, I feel like that's... La la la. Have I been in here? Hey, I hear one. Don't fuck with me, I heard one. What? Yes! Half, half, half. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. I don't like the sound of these. I like the sound of this.